In Products module, you need to create product groups and products. You can see our default product group, Sales Without Products. In this case, we will first create a product group, Vacations. Click on the Add button on the bottom right and fill the form. Insert the name of your product group and choose Product Group Definition, Value and Quantity summed per product group, and click Save. You can have multiple product groups, but this time we will insert only one because of simplicity. Next step is creating products. Click on Products tab and create products same as we create products group. You need to insert product's name and choose product group. When you fill the form, click Save. Repeat this step until you insert all your products. Now we have product group Vacation, which includes economic, standard, and luxury products.